The porch light's on, there's a glow in the snow, and whispers of laughter from long, long ago. Grandma's ornaments, one for each name. Each year she'd give one, and each year the same. Grandpa told stories that still make us grin. We hear his voice when the carols begin. Though that old house now rests at last, their Christmas light is shining in us, holding fast. It's not about the presents, it's the past, the love that lives and always lasts. We see them here in every light, in every smile on Christmas night. From kids to kids the years roll through, their joy still shining in me and you. It's not about the presents, it's the past. The table is crowded, the laughter's the same. Someone's carving the ham and calling his name. The stories are told, the jokes retold twice. Each memory sweeter, each one so nice. Now the grandkids have children and theirs do too. The tree just grows with love that's true. And when the candles softly glow, we feel their warmth in everyone we know. They taught us love, they taught us grace, to find the Savior in every face. So when the angel's song rings clear, we know their hearts are still right here. It's not about the presents, it's the past, the stories told, the joy that lasts. We see them here in all we do, in every laugh and every I love you. So hang each light and lift each glass. It's not about the presents, it's the past. It's the past.